The goal of the project was to have a robot be able to climb up the ladder all the way to the top by touching each rung. There wasn't a time constraint. The robot has to get to the top with no help and has to be completely autonomous after pressing a start button. It was optional to have the robot go up and down. My partner and I decided not to do that. The highest your robot could start off was at the 4th rung of the ladder. Originally, we tried to build a robot that was able to hang on the ladder from the top and the bottom using 2 different cylinders, and then have 2 cylinders that would lift the robot and allow it to go up and down. But ultimately, we found that would be too hard, so we focused on just getting to the top of the ladder. We scrapped our first design and went with a very simple one that we call the Slothotron. We call it that because of how the grippers to the ladder are like sloth arms. Once we completed making Slothotron, we wanted to test it just by using push buttons to drive the cylinders to make sure the concept would work.
Oops.
We used a program called FluidSim to program the Slothotron to allow it to be completely autonomous. It's better to create a design first and then focus on the program. The first run of the program resulted in this.
Oh, it made it! It's celebrating.
So it technically did work, but the motions were jerked. It had to be controlled. We tried to not use the reed sensors, but as you just saw, the robot would keep alternating between the cylinders and spaz out. Using timers for the cylinders wasn't an option. With some tweaking using reed sensors and adding one-way flow control valves to slow the speed of the cylinders, the Slothotron was able to reach the top.
Beautiful. That's good work. Good work.